Before starting, set aside all the parts designated for the trailer, as we will use them later. Step 1. Pre-start all of the nuts onto their corresponding bolts or threaded parts. Do not tighten them yet, just get them started. Screw one collet bolt into the axle pulley and nuts onto all other black plastic parts and the two orange drive wheels. Slide both mousetrap holders onto two of the 12-inch dowels. Make sure that the rectangular-shaped pockets are facing each other so that the mousetrap can fit in the two pockets. Insert the mousetrap and slide the two holders tight against it. Straighten up the sticks. Tighten down the nuts to clamp the mousetrap holders onto the two sticks. Now that your mousetrap is attached, we'll add the stuff that helps us connect to the spring of the mousetrap, the part that will provide the energy to make the car move. Slide the lever holder over the mousetrap's metal bar. Insert your remaining 12-inch dowel and tighten the nut to clamp it. Now we are going to add a place to attach the string that will take the movement of the lever and transfer it to the car's drive axle. Slide a collet bolt onto the end of the lever stick. Tie one end of the string around the bolt and tighten the nut down on the string. Step 3. Assemble the drive axle. Slide two axle holders onto the ends of the sticks opposite the lever arm. Slide one 6-inch dowel in place as the drive axle, adding the axle pulley in between and centered. Tighten the pulley onto the axle. Align the axle holders so the axle turns freely, then secure them with the nuts. Slide the drive wheels onto the axle ends, ensuring a large gap at this end of the axle pulley end and small gaps everywhere else. Then tighten the nuts. Finally, stretch the rubber band tires onto both drive wheels. Step 4. Assemble the free-spinning axle. Slide two axle holders onto the open end of the two long sticks. Turn the axle holders so that the axle holes are on the bottom side of the car. This will prevent the lever stick from rubbing on the front axle. Slide the remaining 6-inch dowel into place to use as the axle. Make sure that the axle holders are aligned well with each other so that the axle can turn freely. Then secure the axle holders in place by tightening the nuts. Slide both free wheels onto the axle, followed by the remaining two collet bolts to keep the wheels in place. Make sure there's enough gap between the axle holder and the wheel to fit one of the wrenches. Then tighten the wheel in place. Repeat this process on the other side. Step 5. Winding the car up. Hook the end of the string onto the nub on the axle spool. Roll the car backward slightly to see the correct winding direction. Start winding the axle. You can use any of the 4 tracks on the pulley or a combination of multiple tracks. Wind it until the lever arm can't move anymore. Then, let the car go. If you wind the string the other direction and turn the car around, you can make the car front-wheel drive since the drive axle is now in the front. To assemble the trailer, pop the 4 wheels onto the trailer. Fish the string through the towing hole. Tie the other end of the string somewhere on the car, avoiding parts that need to move, such as the wheels.